Hey guys, Gracie here. Welcome to Landscape Design 101. Today we're going to talk about the world of outdoor design. I've always been interested in interior design and transforming the spaces around me to fit my style and look. Did you know that a lot of the same considerations apply to designing your outdoor areas too? I'm here with Rick Vespa, who is the president of English Gardens Landscape Company, and also my dad, to learn more about what goes into designing the perfect landscape. I'm learning that there are several ways to approach landscape design. What are the most important factors to consider when first starting out?
Okay, so first you want to determine the area that you want to design and how you're going to use the space. So maybe you're looking to redo an entire backyard, or maybe it's just a corner that needs reworking. If you do a lot of entertaining, consider a dining area or an outdoor kitchen. Those are really popular right now. If the space is for relaxing, have the room for a swing, hammock, or a space for reading. And if you're a big gardener, allow plenty of space for plants and flowers and vegetables of your choice. Also consider your budget and how much time you want to commit to the care and maintenance of your new landscape. You might be a garden enthusiast ready to take on the DIY work, or maybe you just want to sit back and relax.
Yep.
English Gardens has the services that will help you with both.
Okay, so we have defined the spaces that we want to create, but what's next in the process? What types of things should I be looking for?
So a site analysis is a great way to understand what you're working with. So be sure to capture all of the existing elements and make notes of what you like and don't like. Locate north on the plan. This will help identify sun and wind exposure.
Oh, interesting.
Keep in mind any potential views. Do you want privacy from your neighbors or great view of the lake? All of those are important. Taking measurements is a must, and photos are really helpful. Be sure to indicate natural drainage and soil types and access to water.
Okay, so what can I do to help visualize my plan better?
That's a good question. So sketching the site is a great way to visualize what you've captured in your site analysis. It doesn't need to be to scale, but try to keep it relatively proportional so you understand the spaces you're working with. Make sure to include your house, driveway, garage, utilities, power supply, downspouts, water access, and any existing plants or trees.
The internet has given us so much access to design inspiration. Do you recommend saving photos and articles about concepts and designs that we like?
Absolutely. And collect ideas for your design from magazines, social media, and photos from traveling are also great.
Oh, yeah.
Also, don't forget to think about your favorite colors and the plants and flowers that you love.
Awesome. Thank you for sharing all these tips with us. When dreaming up and creating your perfect outdoor retreat, thinking about space, functionality, and design preferences are a great place to start. Stay tuned for part 2 of Landscape Design 101 next week. Happy summer! Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make your life beautiful.